Hello.
Hey Mo, I have a problem with my company. I am losing money and I have to increase the price. Would need to know if we will sell less pieces, than with or after price. Can you help me with it?
Of course, my friend. Let me explain it to you. Well, listen. In microeconomics, the price elasticity of demand, most known as PED, measures how much the quantity demanded of a good or service changes when its price changes. It shows how sensitive customers are to price changes, a key concept in understanding consumer behavior and market decisions. We have some determinants of price elasticity of demand. The number one is the availability of substitutes, because if we have more substitutes, there will be a higher elasticity. Number two is the nature of the good. If the thing you want to buy is a necessity, it will be inelastic, because it doesn't depend of the price if you have to buy it. You also will need to buy it. And if it is a luxury, it will be elastic, because you don't really need it. Number three is the proportion of income spent. If there's a higher cost of a good, it will be more elastic. Number four is the time period. Demand is more elastic in the long run. And finally, the number five is the definition of the market. Narrowly defined products like Coca-Cola have more elastic demand than broadly defined ones. Now let's talk about the type of demand. It is measured by the value of PED. It is elastic when PED is less than 1, which means the quantity demanded change more than price, and consumers are very responsive. When it is inelastic is when PED is among 0 and 1, when quantity demanded change less than price and consumers are not very responsive. Also, we have unit elastic when PED equals 1. The quantity demanded changes by the same percentage as price. Also, we have perfectly inelastic and elastic. It is perfectly inelastic when PED equals 0, and quantity demanded does not change when price changes. But it is perfectly elastic when PED is equal to the infinite, when quantity demanded change infinitely with any small change in price. The PED is very important in microeconomics, because you can help a firm to set a price to maximize revenue. Also, the government policy is used to predict the effect or taxes or subsidies. Market analysis, because it also helps understand consumers' reaction to price change. You can check your PED with a really easy formula. The formula for price elasticity of demand is the percentage change in quantity demand divided by the percentage change in price. Let me give you an example. If a firm sells coffee and the price of coffee increases by 10% and the quantity demanded falls by 20%, then we can substitute it in the formula by putting the quantity demands in the higher part of the formula, which in this case is negative 20%, and divided by the percentage the price of coffee increases, which in this case is 10%. It will be negative 2, which means that demand of coffee is elastic and consumers are sensitive to price changes. So, if your price change, the demand will decrease. I really hope this has helped you and that you can now set prices and not lose money, knowing how much your demand can change by the elasticity of your product.